Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Nazmul Islam in front of you. Hope you are fit and fine. I am also pretty great right now, the mercy of Almighty Allah. So today I wanted to share with you some important sentences that is very crucial I think. Actually today I wanted to share with you about the blessing of Almighty Allah. Our creators is Almighty Allah. He has given a lot of things that is very essential for our self. That's why we have to say all the time that is the word is Alhamdulillah. And that's why today I have decided to say with you about three sentences that is very most important. First of all, I want to say Allah has blessed us with health. Health is so much great blessing that we get from Almighty Allah. Without Allah we can do nothing. Nature is a blessing from Almighty Allah. Allah create a lot of things that is